Viewers, big breaking news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. 2 terrorists have been killed after an infiltration bid was foiled by the army along the line of control near the Naushera Nard in the Gurez sector of North Kashmir. So 2 terrorists gunned down after an infiltration bill foiled by the army. Search operation is currently underway. So 2 terrorists attempting to infiltrate across the line of control in Gurez sector have been killed by the Indian Army, and this operation took place near Naushera Nara, where the alert troops engaged a group of infiltrators. They were attempting to cross into the Indian territory, and 2 terrorists have been killed in an exchange of fire. Zeenat, my colleague, is now joining us for more details. Zeenat, what details do we have about this encounter? 2 terrorists have been killed, a major breakthrough for the security forces.
Absolutely a breakthrough for the security forces in North Kashmir. This is the LC of Bandipora, Gurez, where this encounter, where the infiltration bid has been foiled and 2 terrorists have been neutralized. This is the Gurez sector. As we go back into the annals of history, we have seen that Pakistan has been using number of times the Gurez sector, the Gurez line of control to infiltrate into the Kashmir Valley. But this tells you the alertness of the troops here, where they were able to neutralize the 2 of them who were trying to sneak into the Indian territory. The incident, this infiltration bid has been foiled along the line of control in Gurez sector. This is the Gurez Nard, where this encounter, Naushera Nard, where this anti-terror operation, or we say the infiltration bid, because the terrorists who tried to sneak in, they're the Pakistani terrorists and who have been neutralized along the line of control in the Gurez sector. This is an operation only carried by the Indian Army, because if you go to the line of control and the fences that you around see and the posters around, mostly the Indian Army is deployed, who are taking the lead, the front lead when it comes to the line of control. We see the alertness of troops along the line of control, be it the Gurez or the Uri sector. A couple of days back, there was at the Mike post, some gunshots were heard, and there was again a report that the infiltration bid was foiled by the Indian Army. And again now Pakistan is taking an advantage of the passes, because once the autumn set in and multiple places we will have the snowfall, these passes will get covered. So it will become difficult for the Pakistani terrorists to infiltrate, or that is why taking an advantage of the weather at the moment. Although for the last 3 days it has been raining like cats and dogs in the Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu region has witnessed flood, and the number of casualties had come from the Mata Vaishno Devi side. Despite that, we see the alertness of the troops along the line of control, and also the Pakistan taking advantage that the Kasuno has not covered the passes at the present, and he is trying to push the Pakistani infiltrators into the Indian territory through these passes. But before they could sneak in, the alert troops have neutralized the two of the terrorists along the line of control in Naushera Nard. This is Gurez of North Kashmir, where the infiltration bid has been foiled.
All right. From across the border, Pakistan trying to infiltrate terrorists into the Indian territory, taking advantage of the weather, but a major breakthrough for the security forces. 2 terrorists gunned down. Thank you so much for those details there.